You want to create seamless scenes where your character looks the same, every shot stays consistent, but current tools keep changing the face, the style, or the vibe. That's when you should switch to Higgsfield Popcorn, a next-level tool that keeps your characters, style, and lighting perfectly consistent. You have full control over every detail of your video, and the best part? You can do it all with just one simple prompt. Hello everyone, I'm Sotai. In my previous video, I showed you how Higgsfield lets you create unlimited videos using Sora 2 Pro. Well, recently they've just launched a brand new feature called Popcorn, and honestly, this one completely changes the game. It makes creating Hollywood-level videos easier than ever before. I know many of you watching have struggled to keep your characters consistent across different scenes, spending hours trying to fix them with current AI tools. But with Popcorn, all you need is a reference image and a simple prompt, and it automatically generates perfectly consistent scenes for your video. Even better, you can edit and control every element in your scenes just by using prompts. If Sora 2 helps you produce stunning cinematic videos, then Popcorn turns you into the director of those films, giving you full creative control over characters, lighting, and style, while keeping the entire video visually seamless. And the best part? This feature is completely free right now on Higgsfield. So make sure to check out the link I've left in the description and try it for yourself. Alright, let me walk you through how it works and show you just how powerful Popcorn really is. Alright, so here we are on the Higgsfield homepage. To use the Popcorn feature, simply click right here, and you'll see the main interface appear. As you can see, the description here says that Popcorn helps you easily create a storyboard before generating your video. You'll have two main modes to choose from. The first one is Auto Mode, which automatically builds all the scenes for you based on the general idea or prompt you provide. And the second one is Manual Mode, which gives you full control to customize each scene in detail. Let me start by showing you how the Auto Mode works. As it says in the description, Higgsfield Popcorn lets you upload up to 4 reference images. These can be anything you want: characters, backgrounds, styles, poses, and so on. You can generate up to 8 output images, and you can also choose from a variety of aspect ratios depending on your project needs. But there's one thing to note here. It says, reference images reduce the max output count. That means every time you upload one reference image, the maximum number of output images will decrease by 1. To make it clearer, let me show you an example. As you can see, I've uploaded my reference image. It's a young man, my main character. And my prompt is simple. Create a story about a young man's success. Now you can see that the maximum output count is 7, since I've uploaded one reference image. I'll go ahead and choose 5 output images, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and then click Generate. Now we just need to wait a few minutes. The process time depends on how many outputs you select. And as you can see, at the time I'm recording this video, this feature is completely free to use. So make sure to try it out yourself. I'm sure you'll get some really impressive results. And once the process is done, you'll see the 5 generated scenes right here. Let's take a look at each one. In the first scene, we've got our main guy walking down the street with a backpack. Looks like Popcorn interpreted this as him heading to the company where he just got hired. Scene 2 shows him working hard at his desk. Scene 3 seems to be a meeting with his coworkers. Scene 4, he's receiving an award and being celebrated. Probably the Employee of the Month, right? And finally, in Scene 5, he's relaxing at the beach, enjoying the sunrise with his trophy. As you can see, in Auto Mode, Popcorn automatically generates each scene to match your story idea. And the character consistency here is amazing. The face, body shape, and style all perfectly match the reference image I uploaded. And what's really cool about Popcorn is that you can also interact with each scene. For example, edit or upscale it directly. Let's say I want to remove this motorbike from the scene. All I need to do is click the eraser tool and type in the prompt, "Remove the motorbike." Click Generate, and in just a few moments you'll get your edited image right here. Pretty cool, right? And once you're happy with your scenes, simply click Animate and choose the video model you want. Then Higgsfield will automatically turn your storyboard into a final video. And here's the result I got from the example earlier. Let's take a look. Pretty amazing result, right? As you can see, with the auto mode in Higgsfield Popcorn, it quickly helped me create the video I wanted in just a few minutes, effortlessly. I didn't even have to come up with ideas or edit anything. The storyline was automatically generated, just like what you'd see in a real movie. Each scene keeps the character and style perfectly consistent, which is honestly super impressive. Alright, so that was the auto mode. Now let's move on to the manual mode, where you can have full control over the layout and details of each scene. As you can see here, I've uploaded 2 reference images, one of a female model and the male model from earlier, to create a short story about their love journey. For each scene, I've written detailed prompts describing the actions, environment, and locations. You can take a look at the prompts right here. Since I've uploaded 2 reference images, the maximum number of scenes I can generate is 6. The aspect ratio is still 16:9. Alright, let's click generate and see how it turns out. And here's the result. Pretty amazing, right? Even with 2 characters, Higgsfield Popcorn still delivers exactly what we expected. The characters stay perfectly consistent, and each scene matches the prompts we described in detail. What's even better is how the colors and overall style fit so well with a romantic video theme. It looks truly impressive. Alright, so that's how you can use the 2 modes in Higgsfield Popcorn. Now let me show you a few more impressive things this feature can do. Something people are calling the Nano Banana Killer. For example, let's look at its product image generation capability. As you can see, I just upload my perfume bottle, Sotai, and Popcorn instantly creates a bunch of high-quality product shots with different angles and creative concepts, all perfectly consistent with my original image. This makes it super easy to generate professional-looking ad visuals for your product. I think this feature is truly perfect for product advertisers, as it helps save a lot of costs. And another impressive capability is that you can also use it as an image editing and face replacement tool, just like I showed in the video intro. In this example, I reused the 2 model photos and replaced them with a much larger character through the prompt. As you can see, I can effortlessly swap another person into the original image, even though the new character's size is completely different from the male model. The result shows no artifacts and remains perfectly consistent in proportions, with lighting that's nearly flawless. It's truly a major improvement over Nano Banana. That's why you can use this feature to easily create scenes inspired by famous movies. Popcorn is truly amazing, isn't it? So that's my quick introduction to the Popcorn feature on Higgsfield, a tool that lets me easily control every scene in a video with film-level quality, or even use it as a powerful image editing tool like Nano Banana. What do you think about this tool? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming AI review videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.